Hello, this is Yannis from Repair. Today we will have a notebook, an Asus notebook N751j that is not turning on. So let's see its problem.
Now, we're plugging the charger. We have a consumption of 65 milliamps. The board cannot be on with this consumption. Let's check some voltages. We have the charging chip first. We have 1.09 volts. We have 3.3 volts. Okay. We have 5 volts, okay. And if we check here, we have the RAM coil, which is okay. It's applying voltage and nothing else. That means that the notebook is going from S5 state to S3 state and stays there and cannot go further. The computer is full on in S0 state, as we know, but this computer only reaching S3 state. The memory coil is having voltage and nothing else. So we are having this consumption of 66 milliamps, and that's all. Let's go find out why. The first thing we have to do is to do an optical inspection of the board. The board is in good shape, no water. But as we see here, we have a burnt component. This burnt component must be replaced in order for the board to work properly. This is a multi-diode that helps the generation of a voltage. That is responsible for the S0 state. This voltage, as we see, is a 12 volt rail. This is not the board view of the current board, but it is something similar. So we can see how it works. This 12 rail voltage is being generated by the standby section, by the standby chip and the 5 volt rail. So we must change this multi-diode to a new one. Let's remove the diode. We will use diodes from donor board, and I say diodes because we cannot have this package with 4 diodes in one. We will use larger package, but they will work. The only thing we must do is we must align the diodes in the right way in order for the 12 volts to be generated. So we have already soldered the diodes, and we have the multi-diode split in two halves. into double diodes and are soldered in place with the right alignment with wires. Of course it's not so beautiful, but it tells a good story, believe me. The alignment is the right one. We have checked the board view, of course. Now we will plug the charger and measure the results. We will check the voltage that was missing previously, if it is present now. So let's use the multimeter. Let's go to the middle of the multi-diode and check. Yes, it is 15 volts, which is okay. So let's go to the overhead view and check if we have display there. Let's put back some things on the board to check, like the screen cable, the power. We will use my multimeter to power on the board. Charger is plugged. Powering on. We have nice consumption. And it's on. Let's unplug because no heatsink is present. The notebook is working. We have solved the problem. The problem is no more.
That was the repair. You saw what we did with the diode that was burned. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, consider like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next repair. Bye.